Yo, most guys have the right intentions. Like, most guys want to dress better, but their execution is trash. And I get it, because sometimes it's hard. Like, you want to put together a good outfit. You want to look better, but you don't know how to put together a good outfit. Completely get it. Today, boys, I'm going to show you a super simple, basic guide that anybody can follow, that every time you follow it, I promise you, it's like a formula. Anytime you follow it, you'll always put together great outfits. Today, boys, I'm going to show you how to build a good outfit. Let's go. Number one, this is a trick that I do. You don't necessarily have to do it, but I like to start with my shoes. The way I see it, your shoes are your foundation. It's your base. It's what sets the tone for the rest of your fit. For example, if I choose these are boots. They're rugged. They're more masculine. Or I could choose these sneakers, which are softer, a little bit more elegant. Or I could go with these loafers, which means straight business. So, when you go into your closet, look into your shoes and think, what am I trying to accomplish today? And then choose something that serves that purpose. Number two, we're moving on up. Choose the right pants. Sweats, jeans, or chinos, they're gonna carry you through life. I truly believe these are the three staples that every dude needs in their wardrobe. You got these three, you're good to go. You see, your sweats are your casual option. Your jeans, you can wear these every single day if you wanted to. And your chinos, this is when you mean business. So a good way to choose the right pants is, remember, what did my shoes stand for? What is it that I wanted to accomplish this morning? Was it to look more rugged or masculine? Was it to look more casual and laid back, simple elegance? Or was it to mean business? Figure out what your purpose is and pick the right pants for that purpose. Now, I know I'm talking about a lot as we're speaking. This is why, boys, I tell you all the time, download our free sponsor ShopTagger on your phone and on your computer. That way, when you're watching these videos, you could be easily tagging the items that I'm talking about. See, with ShopTagger, you can go to your favorite stores or even the brands that I talk about in videos and easily go to the top right corner and save that item in specific list that you've created. Then ShopTagger will send you push notifications or email notifications when that item goes on sale, gets restocked, or there are any coupons available. The best part is that you can organize this into lists or categories like tops, bottoms, shoes, essentials. That way you have everything neatly organized and you cut out impulsive buying. So when you actually have spending cash, you go back to these lists and buy what you need. Not to mention that ShopTagger also automatically scans the web, so when you're at checkout, it applies any available coupons to make sure you get the lowest price possible. Now, the coupon feature is a special feature, so if you use ShopTagger on your computer, that Chrome extension is a must. And they just got a cashback feature, which allows you to earn cash via PayPal. Yo, like, this is a completely free app. Also, ShopTagger would be crazy helpful for that post-holiday sale shopping. And like I said, click the link down below, download ShopTagger on your computer and your phone for free and save as much money as possible. Let's move it on to your top. See, your top, just like your bottom, this is pretty much three categories. You got your t-shirts, you got your sweaters, or you got your shirts, your button-downs. And if you follow the same category method that I've been talking about, just think, what was my initial purpose when I chose my shoes, right? Was it to be laid back and casual, a little bit like casual elegance? Was it to look rugged or masculine? Or was it to mean business? Figure out what category that is and then choose something within that category for your top. Now, once you put it all together, I promise you, this outfit's gonna be on point. You're gonna look like a whole snack. Now, if you wanna take it to the next level, you need to keep in mind your body type. See, you gotta dress for your body type. Once you have all these pieces together, make sure you're dressing for your specific body type. See, you have your athletic shape, you have your pear shape, you have your circular shape, you have your square shape. We all got different body types, and I got an entire video, which I'll have it linked right above me, where I talk about body types and how you dress for that. That way, when you choose those pieces, you make sure they fit your body type, and I'm telling you right now, you're gonna look like a whole celebrity, putting out fire fits every time you want to. Now we're graduating to like the premium level. Like, this is when you're going from basic outfits to stylish outfits. Pick a bag. I don't care if it's a satchel, backpack, crossbody bag, duffel bag, whatever suits your boat. Pick a bag. See, a bag is an added accessory that will elevate any fit, even your most basic jean, t-shirt, and sneaker outfit. On top of that, it removes the bulk from your pockets and stuffs it into your backpack. Now, if you want to level it up, go with something leather. See, leather signifies quality, status, elegance. And now you got a quality backpack that'll wear with age and look better the more you wear it. Accessorize. This is really when you start leveling up your outfit. See, the beauty with jewelry is that you don't have to put more effort. You don't have to spend more money. Jewelry allows you to not have to redo your whole wardrobe, but still look completely different. Add a few rings, add a few bracelets, throw on your favorite watch, stack some necklaces, and you just took a basic, regular ass, normal ass fit and took it to the next level. So not only are you putting together good fits, you're putting together great fits when you enter the stratosphere. You follow this specific formula that I just built for you, 6 easy steps every morning, and I promise you, doesn't matter what situation it is, you got yourself a good fit. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to share this video. That's it for me today. See you next time.